Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hey, what's up guys? Kaushik here. Welcome back to Magic Box Technical. Today I got an exciting gadget that I always wanted to have it. So guys, this is my new gaming monitor that comes from the brand LG with 22-inch display and completely bezel-less. So let's move forward and unbox this beauty. At first, we get the monitor accessories. Here, we get the base stand that is completely of metal. We get the upper stand as well. In the plastic wrap, we get the manual booklet and setup guide, including an HDMI cable, a power cable, and the driver CD. At below, we get the 22-inch monitor covered with a foam wrap. Let's just take it out and complete the setup. Trust me guys, this monitor is just genius. If you are looking for a good gaming monitor under the budget of 10,000, you should definitely go for it. At the back, this monitor comes with multiple ports like VGA, DVI, audio output and HDMI port. With your PC, you could enjoy the gaming experience of any console. You get 4 wall mount holes behind too. Let me tell you guys, this monitor got 75Hz refresh rate. That is actually good for gamers. Let's play some videos on this monitor and see how it performs. Holy smoke guys, we get around 1920 by 1080p resolution. That's just pretty awesome in this price range. Gaming is absolutely breathtaking. So guys, that's all for today's video. Hope you liked it. Do give it a thumbs up and yes, do subscribe and share. Signing out.